Hey guys, how are you doing? So this is a video on how to synchronize OBS with Nuendo. The first video that I uploaded on my channel had some synchronization issues, so I had to figure out how to make sure that every recording that I make is synchronized with my Nuendo session, because I've got my microphone going into Nuendo and then from Nuendo going out into OBS, so that creates a latency. What I've been doing is I've been recording videos like this, and then clapping, and then making sure that I used that little fragment of the video and loaded it into the session in Nuendo. So here you can see my session. It's important to load this video on a timecode track. No, the session being on timecode and on a whole number. So with star, I just did, you can go to 1, or I just went to 10, added it there. And with F5 and F6, I can walk through each frame, and the video you don't see. So let me just show you the video here. So this is the result of the video. And now every frame that I move up and down, you'll see the time code. You'll see moving with the frames, and then you see my clapping here on the right. So my video bubble is probably there. So here you see my clapping. So then I make sure that I move the play cursor exactly to where I clap. So that is when I know when I've clapped, and where I have to synchronize the sound with. So you already see it here, and there's an audio file underneath the video, and I need to synchronize the clap with the video in order to make sure that Nuendo and OBS are synchronized. Let me turn off the video, and I'm in my session now. So what you are able to see is the sound of a clap. Now let's say let's move there. So let's see how much this is off from the video. So we put the video back, and then we look at a clap. There we go. This could be a clap. Okay, so that is a clap, and we see the audio is just a bit too early. So what we can do is we can make a cut here in the audio file, and so we've got a cut in the audio file exactly where the clap is, and then while holding control button, is this a control? No, the modifier button, not this one, but that one. Oh, let me just close that. Then I've got the little scissor tool here, and then I can choose the beginning of the audio file. I click that one, and now I know that the length of this audio file is the offset that I need to make sure that I sync my video to. So let's change the time of Nuendo. Instead of going time code, what I do is I press Control, and then I click, and then the button goes down, and I can change to samples. And there you'll see that everything is in samples. Now, 606 samples. So when I select an audio clip, you see that there's a red border around the audio clip. Now this red border shows that the clip is selected, and then at the top here you see that the length of the clip is showed as well. So this is, and the reason why I show it in samples is because it's the most accurate length that you can get. Instead of having the session at milliseconds or frames, you just have it at samples, and it's the most accurate length that you can get. Now what we do is we know that this is 606 samples. I go to Chrome. Then I was already talking with ChatGPT to give me the length of 606 samples. In the history of the conversation, it already converted it with a sample rate of 48K. And in order to give me an estimation of how many milliseconds it is. So there we go. So it's 12 and a half. That means that the audio is 12 and a half milliseconds too soon. So from your camera version too early, so that's still left. Now what I do in OBS is that you can see OBS here. Here we've got the stereo channel that I send Nuendo to. So everything, so this microphone feed is going there. And when I go to advanced audio properties, here you see that there is a sync offset. And in this sync offset, I'm already playing around with the offset. So because it was too early, that means that the audio needs to catch up with the video, and that means that the offset is a little bit too early. So that means that minus 650 milliseconds, we have to shift that to the right. So we have to shift that a little bit later. And what we calculated with ChatGPT was 12 milliseconds. So that would be 640 milliseconds. So let's say 640. Now, I should actually stop this recording and then do a clap again, but I re-import it in the session, and then I make sure that now the difference in the moment that I clap. So here's the video again. Let me show you my face here. Here's another clap. F6, F5, F6, bam. So on the right frame, you hear the clapping. And also you see the audio file is exactly on the frame. So I know that this is synchronized with that. And I am now sure that the videos that I upload to YouTube will be synchronized. So please have some patience. This is my first channel. But I just wanted to show you how to sync OBS with Nuendo. And that was it for today. So I'll be sure to upload some more videos that are more sound design related. But hey, for anyone who is curious how to synchronize OBS and Nuendo for a stream straight from the DAW, then here's your answer. All right, now, thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.